Good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Again, I am here, your maths teacher, today with some new topic. Okay. So first we will discuss what we have done in our last topic. So the last topic that we have done is smallest number. We identify the smallest number, and after identifying the smallest number, what we have done? We write that number in a circle in middle of a flower. One circle is given, and I have given you some questions also as homework. Remaining 8 questions, and I told you to do that question in your notebook. Okay, first you have done that question in book, and then after that you copy those question in your notebook. Those students who have not done, you do that question in notebook also. Okay, so today we will continue the same. That means in our last topic we have identified the smallest number. Now today the questions that we are doing is to identify the largest number. Okay, so the questions that we do today is given on page number 52 in your maths book. Okay, so first of all of you take out your notebook, take out your maths book and open it, and in book open page number 52. Page number 52 in book, open page number 52, because the questions that we are solving today is given on page number 52. And in your notebook, take out new page, and first of all write the date. This side of your notebook, write date. What is the date today? That you have to write here, the date. And the other thing that we write in the notebook is today's topic. So what is our today's topic? Write on the top of your notebook, largest number. LARGEST, largest number. And the number is from 1 to 100. Note down this heading. Note down this heading and underline it. Underline it using ruler and pencil, scale and pencil. Underline the heading largest number and write the date. Now write the question. What is the question? Write question. Write the largest number. WRITE. Write the largest. LARGEST. Write the largest number. NUMBER. Write the largest number in the flower. FLOWER, flower. Write the largest number in the flower. Some flower is drawn and some leaves are drawn. 3 leaves are drawn and 1 flower is given. Okay, so the number is written inside the leaves, and you have to identify the numbers are written inside the leaves, and you have to identify the largest number, and you have to write that largest number inside the flower. Okay, so first of all you copy this question. Write the largest number in the flower. Write the largest number in the flower. This is the question. Write fast and write in good handwriting, and write clearly so that you can understand what you have written. Now the first question, write A. See how the picture is drawn in same way. First you draw the flower. Don't draw the flower too much big and don't draw it too much small also. Right, in that way that you can write the number inside it. Then draw one leaf here, then make here one stem, then one leaf this side and one leaf this side. Okay, no need to draw the pot. Now what are the numbers given? Here is written 9292. Here the number written is 6161 and here the number written is 4545. First of all you write this much, draw one flower and 3 leaves and write the numbers inside the leaves. And if you want to color it, you color it afterwards. Color the leaves with light green color and flower with yellow or pink, and use light color for coloring so that you are able to see the numbers properly. Okay, if you use dark color, then what will happen? You are not able to identify the number you have written. So color, use light colors. Now what is our first step? Our first step is we read the numbers. The 3 numbers that are given, first we read it. So what is the number? 4545. Second number is 6161 and here 9292. What are the numbers? 45, 61 and 92. So identify the largest number. The largest number is 9292. So we write the largest number inside the flower. So write here 9292. Write the answer. The largest number is 92. So we have written the largest number inside the flower. Now draw another picture. Same picture you have to draw. You have to draw first flower. Then make here one leaf. Then draw one stem. Then again draw 2 leaves. Okay. Now see what are the numbers written. Here it is written 76. Now the second is 20 and the third one is 34. Okay, now first of all you copy the question from the board. And don't use eraser again and again if you are not able to draw the picture. अगर आप draw नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, then do simple thing. You only write number in this way and then write answer. Okay? But I hope all of you know how to draw this flower and how to draw these leaves. Okay? So write fast. Write fast. Okay. Now first of all we will read the number. So what are the numbers written? 76, 76, 20, 20 and 34, 34. What are the numbers? Again read it. 76, 20 and 34. 76, 20 and 34. So identify the largest number. The largest number is 76. The largest number is 76. So write here 76. So complete these 2 questions fast. Those who are writing very slowly, write fast and try to complete these 2 questions fast. Done? All of you have done, copied all the two questions. Have you written it? Okay, now see. See. Again draw one flower. Then draw here one leaf. Then here one stem. Then draw one leaf and another leaf. Okay. Now see what are the numbers written. 19, 9 and 29. Okay. First you draw. Copy the question. See. Copy the third question. See. Okay. Now first read the numbers. Read all the three numbers that are given. 1 9 19, 2 9 29 and the last number is 9. What are the numbers? 19, 29 and 9. Again read 19, 29 and 9. Now identify the largest number. Which is the largest number? 2 9 29. So write 29 inside the flower. Copy this question. Write fast. I am rubbing these two questions and I am rubbing the question also. Okay. Write fast the third question. See. All of you have copied. Okay. Now I am rubbing this question also. Now the D. No need to draw the line. Okay. Don't draw this line. Now the next question, D. Again draw the flower. Then draw here one leaf. Then here also draw two leaves. And write the numbers 55. 64 and 82. 55, 64 and 82. First you copy the question. Then we will solve it. If you want to write the answer also, you can write the answer also. If you understood how we are solving the question, so you can write the answer also. Now I read the numbers. Numbers are 55, 82 and 64. 55, 82 and 64. So which is the largest number? Largest number is 82. So write here 82. Next question E. And see what are the numbers written. 33, 14 and 2. First copy the question. Copy the question fast. Okay, now solve this question. E. First of all read the numbers. What are the numbers are here? 14, 2 and 33. What are the numbers here? 14, 2 and 33. And which is the largest number? Largest number is 33. So write here 33. Write these two questions fast. Okay, now see the F, question number F. What are the numbers written here? 99, 79 and 89. This question you do on your own, and G also you do on your own. 50, 90 and 30. And this H question also you do yourself. Okay, आपको करना है solve अभी. These three questions. Try to solve these three questions. Then I will write the answer at last. And what you will do? You will check it. Okay. 26. 42 and 57. Try to solve it. Okay students, check your answers. Check whether you have done it right or not. First of all, read the numbers. What are the numbers written here? 99, 89 and 79. Now which is the largest number? Largest number is 99. So write here 99, 99. Okay, now solve this question. Check this question. First read the numbers. Numbers are 50, 30 and 90. And the greatest number is 90. Very good. I hope you all have written right answer. Now see the last question. What are the numbers? 26, 42 and 57. And the largest number is 57. So write here 57. I hope all of you have understood how we have done these questions. We only identify the largest number and then we write the largest number inside the flower. So many questions are given. So we have solved only 8 questions. So the remaining 8 questions, these down 8 questions is homework for you, and you write these questions in your notebook. Okay. So till then, solve these questions in your notebook. Bye students.